Granola AI review. Is this AI notepad worth it? So, Granola is an AI-powered meeting notepad designed to help busy professionals stay present during calls while capturing clean, structured notes enhanced by AI. It syncs with your calendar, transcribes audio locally without intrusive bots. So, what are its pros? It is human-guided with a bot-free experience. It offers seamless transcriptions and AI polish. It also has testimonial business insiders. They also have powerful AI chat after meetings. They offer beautiful polished outputs. They have a cross-platform support and sharing with working of integrations with multiple OS, and they have a high user satisfaction. So there are some cons as well. So for the cons, there's no audio recording support. They have a limited speaker attribution. They have the speaker levels which misaligns the dialogue, and they have a leakage in chaotic meetings. And the platform and pricing has some limitations. So overall, Granola AI is an outstanding AI notepad for professionals and knowledge workers who spend back-to-back hours in meetings.